If your headlights look dull, yellow, and tired, you're not just losing style, you're losing safety, value, and visibility every single time the sun goes down. I've watched drivers replace bulbs, buy expensive kits, even swap entire headlight assemblies, and still drive around with lenses that scatter light like dirty glasses. That's not bad luck, that's bad information. There's a simple restoration method that German detailers have used for years. Not a gimmick, not a miracle product, but a process that actually resets the plastic instead of just hiding the damage. And once you understand what's really happening to your headlights, you'll never waste money on half fixes again. If you care about how your car looks, how it drives at night, and how long it lasts, make sure you're subscribed to Car Care Expert. This channel is about protecting your car from slow damage, bad advice, and expensive mistakes before they drain your wallet. By the end of this video, you'll understand why most headlight restorations fail, what the German method actually does differently, how to do it properly at home, and how to make your headlights stay clear for years, not weeks. And there's one final step almost nobody does, but it's the difference between cloudy again in 2 months and crystal clear for 2 years. Number 1. Why headlights turn yellow in the first place? Most drivers think headlights fade because they're dirty. That's not true. Headlight lenses are made from polycarbonate plastic, and from the factory they're coated with a thin UV protective layer. Over time, heat, sunlight, road salt, and pollution destroy that coating. Once it's gone, the bare plastic underneath starts to oxidize, and oxidation is what turns clear lenses cloudy, yellow, and brittle. It's not surface grime. It's chemical damage inside the plastic itself. That's why soap doesn't fix it. That's why spray-on miracle products only make them look better for a week. You're not cleaning the problem, you're temporarily hiding it. And the longer you wait, the deeper that oxidation sinks into the lens, which brings us to the mistake most people make when they try to fix it. Number 2, why most headlight kits fail. Most restoration kits focus on polishing instead of resetting the plastic. They use mild abrasives and waxy fillers that make the lens shiny, but they never remove the dead, oxidized layer completely. That's why the lights look amazing on day 1, and awful again by week 3. You didn't fix the lens, you just glazed over damage. German detailing culture doesn't believe in cosmetic fixes. They believe in mechanical correction first, protection second. That means removing the damaged layer entirely, then rebuilding the surface properly. No shortcuts. No shine without structure. And once you understand that mindset, you'll understand why the German trick works when everything else fades out. Number 3, the German trick, heat-assisted plastic reset. Here's where it gets interesting. German detailers use controlled heat and progressive abrasion to reset the polycarbonate surface. Not burn it, not melt it, but realign the plastic structure after sanding away the oxidized layer. After the lens is properly sanded smooth, a heat source, usually a heat gun on low, or even specialized steam, is passed evenly across the surface. This does 2 things. First, it evaporates microscopic moisture inside the plastic. Second, it slightly reflows the surface, tightening the polymer structure and restoring optical clarity. That's why the lens suddenly pops from hazy to glass clear in seconds. You're not coating it, you're reactivating the plastic itself. And when done correctly, it's shockingly effective. But it only works if the prep work is perfect, which almost nobody gets right. Number 4, the proper sanding stages most people skip. If you don't remove every layer of oxidation first, heat will just lock in damage. German method always starts aggressive and works finer. That means wet sanding in stages, usually starting with 800 or 1000 grit, then moving to 1500, then 2000, sometimes even 3000. Each stage removes the scratches from the last one. The lens will look worse before it looks better, completely dull and white at first. That's normal, that's oxidation coming off. If your lens still has yellow patches after sanding, you're not done yet. And if you rush this step, no polish or heat trick in the world will save you. The clarity comes from precision, not speed. And once the surface is perfectly uniform, then the real magic happens. Number 5, the heat pass that makes them pop. This is where German detailers separate amateurs from professionals. The heat gun is kept moving, always. Never stationary, always smooth, always even. You don't aim to melt, you aim to warm and tighten the surface. As the heat passes over the lens, the plastic suddenly turns clear right in front of your eyes. It's not illusion, it's physics. You're changing how light passes through the material. But here's the danger. Too much heat will warp the lens or cause permanent rippling. That's why the motion has to be calm, steady, and controlled. When done right, the headlight looks brand new without any polish at all. And at this point, most people stop. And that's why their lights don't last. Number 6, the step that makes it last years instead of weeks. Once the lens is restored, it's naked. No UV protection, no shield. And sunlight will destroy it again fast if you don't seal it. German method always finishes with a proper UV-resistant coating. Either a professional ceramic coating, automotive clear coat, or a dedicated headlight sealant. This is what replaces the factory layer that failed. Without this, your headlights will start oxidizing again within 60 to 90 days. With it, they can stay clear for 12 to 24 months or longer. This isn't optional. This is the difference between a real restoration and a temporary shine job. And if you're still thinking about skipping it, there's one more reason you shouldn't. Number 7, why clear headlights protect more than just your vision. Foggy headlights don't just look bad. They reduce light output by up to 70%. That means shorter reaction time, less contrast, and more strain on your eyes at night. It also lowers your car's resale value instantly. Buyers see cloudy headlights and assume poor maintenance everywhere else. Clear lenses tell a different story. This car is cared for. This driver pays attention. This vehicle hasn't been neglected. So when you restore your headlights properly, you're not just fixing plastic, you're protecting safety, value, and trust. And once you see how powerful that is, you'll never ignore fading lenses again. After 15 years in shops, auctions, and inspection lanes, I can tell you this. Most car problems don't explode, they fade quietly. Headlights are the same. They don't fail overnight. They fade until you forget how good they used to be. The German trick isn't magic, it's discipline. It's doing the full process instead of chasing quick shine. And when you restore something the right way, it stays right. If this video helped you see your car differently, make sure you're subscribed to Car Care Expert. This channel is about stopping small damage before it turns into big money loss. Drop a comment and tell me how bad your headlights are right now. And if you want the full step-by-step process in a future video. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you.